If you're preparing for your contractor's license exam, you might be wondering, what's the best way to study? For some contractors, studying alone isn't enough. Maybe you learn best when an instructor explains things in person. Maybe you focus better in a classroom setting rather than trying to study at home. Or maybe you just want the ability to ask questions and get immediate answers. If that sounds like you, in-class preparation might be the best way to prepare for your exam. Our in-class preparation course is designed for hands-on learners who benefit from direct interaction with expert instructors, making the licensing process simple and effective. Here's how it works. Once you enroll, we'll send your complete study package by mail, including printed law and trade manuals, DVDs if selected, and your state application. Fill out your application and send it back to us for review. Our team will check everything and submit it directly to the state on your behalf, so you avoid costly mistakes or delays. While you wait for your exam date, study at your own pace using the materials provided and online practice exams. Then, right before your test, we'll schedule you for a 2-day live instruction class, so the information is fresh and you walk in fully prepared. Day 1 covers law and business. Day 2 covers your trade exam. Classes are held at convenient locations across California, including Sacramento, Hayward, Fullerton, Woodland Hills, and Ontario. This streamlined process is proven to help of our students pass on their first try and get licensed in as little as 2 months. In-class preparation isn't just about reading books or watching videos. It's an immersive learning experience led by industry experts. Here's what's included. 2 days of live classroom instruction led by experienced educators. Complete law and trade study manuals with clear language and helpful illustrations. Math review DVDs if selected as add-ons and safety handouts. Trade-specific DVDs or audio for deeper understanding. 90 days of access to online practice exams via desktop or mobile. Expert application review and filing with the state. This is the ideal course for learners who need structured guidance, accountability, and direct access to instructors. So why choose in-class preparation over other study methods? Here are some key benefits. Direct access to expert instructors. Get your questions answered in real time. Structured study schedule keeps you on track and ensures you cover everything you need. Focused, distraction-free classroom environment. Hands-on explanations from experts who know the exam. Engagement with classmates. Learn alongside others. Share insights and stay motivated. For many students, this interactive, structured approach is the fastest and most effective way to prepare for the contractor's license exam. Choosing the right study method is important. If you want structure, in-person support from instructors, and the accountability of an in-person class, this is the best option for you. You don't have to figure it out alone. Let us guide you through every step from application to exam. Enroll in class preparation today and take the next step toward your contractor's license.